Bonjour, je m'appelle Christophe Bertrand, je suis patron d'une chocolaterie qui s'appelle La Reine Astrid en France, à Paris, et également secrétaire général de la Confédération des chocolatiers de France. I'm in the Philippines to discover the cocoa from Philippines because I have one, and for me it's one of the best of my range, so maybe one of the best in the world because the aromatics are very, very interesting here. And here I just came to visit Ply Farm in the invitation of Kokomo because we are trying to be at the origin of a new project which will be to grow cocoa from the mountain in a very natural landscape where they grow in a natural way. They don't put no fertilizer, they don't put no insecticide. So this is very interesting, and moreover, they have a very special type of cocoa, which is called Criollo. It's maybe 3% of the world cocoa, and they also have Trinitario. So I really want to try those two type of beans in order to make chocolate and give a feedback about the interest of those two kind of chocolate, cocoa.
Nagrugyak nga nagplant iti kakao iti mga 2010. Curiousak lang idi, tamaw-awan ti kakao idi dito'y natunin. So the first nga imulak idi kat Criollo, nga isuti nakita nga native. Native dito nga isuti muna nga kakao mi idi. Di nagmula-mulak, na narigat nga igro nga di Criollo. So nabag-down, sagay sa lang dahi tanabati. So hanak nga nag-sarden nga na napangkukinita dagitoy ta safety source na dagitoy napanak ide madukayan very far place nakitak dagitoy nga kuahang kuamon wan nga breed dagitoy ti kakao so nag-alak ta napintas di mulak nagmayat ti tutubuan na susuday nagmula-mulak then impadok yati rugi na without knowing wan ti market na awan, basta agmulak di kakao. Fan ko ti agmulmula.
May isang makitak nga masapul mila una is daytoy at least ada kuma iti training kay sudaya iti kasano nga magiging productive iti daytoy kakao.
People has to understand is the cocoa is certainly very interesting, but the most important for the flavor will be the post-halving. So the process, how do you do the fermentation, and how do you dry the beans, and how do you preserve it from moisture? This is maybe 70% of the flavor. So we are here to help them because they just start. As you can see, the trees are small. They are maybe from 3 to 6 years old. It's a brand new plantation. It's a brand new idea to grow cocoa here in the Cordillera. And as soon as they will have enough cocoa, we'll try to help them to do the harvesting, to do the farming after we take the bean out of the pod.
Ti kakao, abutin natin manunga tawon. Abutin natin 100 years actually. Kaya po is ma-maintain, agbalik ko ba nga sustainable livelihood ti pamilya nga ipasa kinyada. Environment friendly ti kakao iti natunin ta makita mong garud ti environment nga still green. A lot of fruits intercrop iti kakao ti natunin. Here in Natunin, we preserve the nature and plant the cacao.